let me tell you something. Some people say, oh, if you remove oil subsidy, Nigeria will collapse. I've never seen the kind of fraud as it is in the oil subsidy. Most of you may not understand. Every month, how much we spend in oil subsidy? Trillions of naira. Who are those? We are spending the money, yet the price is not coming down. It's going up. I mean, who does this? Except you don't want us to take over power, then you can vote for anybody. If you want us to take over power, the only person amongst us is Wike. I want to make Nigeria work. When Nigeria works, people will be happy. And I'm not contented just to look for VP to anybody. Please discard that. I'm not looking for vice president too. What I'm looking for is president. I want you, I will preside. And I was the one who made Nigeria to get to this level. I don't want VP. Well, some of you may be believing that Aisha doesn't want to look for. Look at me. Who will win me in the election that will look for VP? No, who will win me? Mention. So the issue of VP, discard it. It's not available at all. You know, I want to be the Joshua that will go and take the Israelites, take the children of God and cross. That's what I want to do. Because the only household name you have now is Wike. There's nowhere. Families, children. Name recognition. Is Wike. Anyway, if you like, if you hate me, you like me, the only name I can remember today is what? Wike.
Why is Wike? Why is Wike?
So it's not a question of this one come from your state. It's not state matter. We are talking about winning election. And I'm fully prepared. I am fully prepared. I know them. I know these evil people. Leave them for me. Leave them for me. Just give me the mandate. And you see what will happen. Just leave it for me. Just your only job is give me the ticket. Go home. Go home and rest.
APC governor called you wise wicked.
You know, even yesterday when we went to Kano, APC governor Ganduje, he said this man is a wise wicked. I told him, I said, look, I came to pay costs and to also tell you, I'm prepared to take over. People have messed up Nigeria. I told him, and he agrees with me that things are bad. If APC agrees that things are bad, then what about you?
In FCT, we have interacted with our people in the North Central, and we'll be reaching out to them, and we're talking to them, and we'll make sure that we'll come together as one to give you the maximum support that we can. But I want to assure you that for the FCT, we're here, we have been Wikerized. I want to just say it. May I now move a very solid motion that we adopt His Excellency Governor Nation Wike, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, for the position and to be our candidate for the 2023 general election. And by the grace of God, we will all support him and give him our votes towards the primary elections to ensure victory for the party and for the PDP. To the glory of God Almighty and to the service of humanity, I therefore put to this question. Those who are for which you say aye. Aye. I won't have that yes, because there won't be anything else. Those against, are they here? Oh, raise up your hands. Raise up your hands in support. Raise up your hands in support.